Okay, ito na yung ano, yung entrance. Ito yung guardhouse. Ayan siya, Neng. Ito yung road papasok. Maganda naman siya. Ayan. Yan ang guardhouse. Ayan, ganyang kalawak. Tapos, Neng, yung sinasabing school, ayun. Ayan lang, napakalapit. At tapat lang siya. Yan, kita mo, ang daming dumadaang mga jeep, bus. Marami pala talaga dito. Kasi mga papuntang sa Pangpalay ata yan. Yan, kung makikita mo, ang dami-dami palang pwedeng sakyan dito. Tapos mataas ang lugar nyo. Kaya malalim yung ilog. So, imposibleng abutin pa kayo. Tahimik siya. Tulad ng gusto ni Varun. Tahimik nga siya. Malayo sa kabiasnan. Tulad ng sinabi ko sa'yo noon.
Another summer day is come and gone away in Paris or Rome, but I wanna go home. Maybe surrounded by a million people, I still feel all alone. Just wanna go home. I miss you, you know. And I've been keeping all the letters that I wrote to you, each one a line or two. I'm fine, baby, how are you? Well, I would send them, but I know that it's just not enough. My words were cold and flat, and you deserve more than that. Another airplane, another sunny place. I'm lucky, I know, but I wanna go home. I got to go home. Let me go home. I'm just too far from where you are. I wanna come home. And I feel just like I'm living someone else's life. It's like I just stepped outside when everything was going right. And I know just why you could not come along with me, 'cause this was not your dream, but you always believed in me. Another winter day has come and gone away, and either Paris or Rome, and I wanna go home. Oh, let me go home. Let me go home. I've had my run, and baby, I'm done. I gotta go home. Let me go home. It'll all be alright. I'll be home tonight. I'm coming back home.
Ayun, Neng, video ko, nalagpasan natin yung isang subdivision dun. By the way, marami palang subdivision dito. Yun nga lang, para sa akin, nasa malayo sa kabiyasan. Pero okay lang. Kasi established na rin pala tong lugar na to. May mga umaabot din taxi tulad nito. Nakita mo yan? Subdivision. Marami ring mga commercial commercial place. Malapit lang pala yung wet market. Ayan, hindi mahirap. Another subdivision. Pangatlong subdivision na to. Actually, pang-apat na subdivision na to mula sa Princess Road. Ayan, kita mo? Binidyo ko na din para makita. Ayan, ito yung way papunta palabas na. Walang traffic, right? So, yun. Baka pag pinanood mo to kasama si Veron, ikaw na lang mag-explain what I'm saying, ha? Okay? Presko dito kasi daming puno. Neng malaki na talent fee ko dito, ah. While I'm driving, I'm getting the video, ah. Joke. Anyway, ito. Walang ka-traffic. Another subdivision. Pang-lima na to. Pang-limang subdivision na to. O, diba? Ang galing. Ang dami palang ano. Ayan. Nakita mo yan? Ayan. Na-overtake ka na tuloy. Kasi well, anyway, pauwi na tayo. Pauwi na ako. Babalik na ako sa office. Ayan. Panoorin mo to, ha. Kung sa punutan kita pag-uwi mo, pag yung pinanood to. Walang traffic na yun, diba? That's it. Baka madisgrasya pa ako sa pagdadrive. Gabi, Neng!